The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalm 23:1. These words, written by David, carry a deep and comforting truth. Before David was a king, he was a shepherd. He understood what it meant to care, to lead, and to protect. So when he says, "The Lord is my shepherd," he is not speaking lightly. He is speaking from experience. A shepherd watches over his sheep. He guides them to safety. He protects them from danger. He provides everything they need. And David is saying, God does the same for us. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Psalm 23:2. God is not only a provider, he is a giver of rest. In a world full of noise, stress, and pressure, God invites us into peace. Green pastures represent provision. Still waters represent calm. God knows when we are tired. He knows when we need rest. And he leads us gently. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Psalm 23:3. God doesn't just care for our needs. He restores what is broken inside us. When we feel empty, when we feel lost, when we feel overwhelmed, God restores us. He brings us back to peace, back to purpose, back to himself. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Psalm 23:4. Notice this. David does not say we will avoid valleys. He says we will walk through them. Life will have difficult moments. There will be seasons of fear, uncertainty, and darkness. But here is the promise. God is with you, not far, not distant, not silent. With you, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. The rod represents protection. The staff represents guidance. God protects you, and he leads you. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Psalm 23:5. Even in the middle of difficulty, God provides. Even when life feels surrounded by challenges, God makes a way. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. This is not just enough. This is abundance. God doesn't just meet your needs. He pours out his goodness. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Psalm 23:6. Not sometimes, not occasionally. All the days of your life, God's goodness is not behind you. It is following you, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. This is not just about today. This is about eternity. If you feel lost today, God is your shepherd. If you feel tired, he will give you rest. If you feel afraid, he is with you. You are not alone. You are led. You are cared for. The Lord is your shepherd.